Hi, everybody. Hey, guys.
Hi.
This is Boots. This is Deedee. And Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, can you say hi? There it is. Anyways, I'm here with Boots tonight. And with Deedee, which are Pretty Bird's brother and sister, who have been helping raise her since she hatched. Right, Pretty Bird? Right? Yeah. You love them, Pretty Bird. Yeah, you do. Anyway, so we decided that we were going to tell the story tonight about how we got Pretty Bird. Right, Boots? All right. So, Deedee, do you remember when we went to that yard sale?
Yeah?
Yeah? What did we buy there? Did we buy a little goose or did we buy some eggs?
We bought some eggs.
Yeah. We got 2 of them, right?
Yep.
All right. And then, Boots, where did we put them?
We put them in the incubator.
Right. Now, were those eggs supposed to be fertile?
No.
No. The people from that homestead that were having a yard sale, they said that those eggs were just for eating, right?
Yep.
And that they weren't gonna be fertile. But you guys wanted to try anyways, right, bud?
Mhm.
Right. Don't get funny, Justin. He's gotta be in the video too. Right? Goose, goose. Yeah. All right, Boots. So after about a month, in April, this little booger hatched, right? Yep. And then a couple of weeks later, we noticed what? That she looked different.
Yep.
Right, Deedee?
Yep.
You remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got worried, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I started researching. I was like, what is she? Because the geese that were on that homestead, they looked like good old regular farm geese, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember, Boots?
Mhm.
What color were they?
White and gray.
Yeah, like some white ones, some gray ones, which those were actually Chinese geese. And there were some Toulouse
Yeah.
and some, maybe even some African geese, or there might have been some gray Chinese or brown Chinese. I forgot what they're called.
I don't think so. I don't think there was any brown Chinese goose.
Well, they were either African geese or brown Chinese ones. I don't know because they look a lot alike. Those 2 kinds. Anyways.
Hold on. I actually remember seeing one of the gooses with a white toe. One of them had like just one white toe on its left leg.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So, anyways, after she hatched and she got a little older, and we noticed that she looked different, we figured what out, Boots.
She's a hybrid.
Right. And as some of you will notice, she's got that white cheek, which is a feature that what kind of goose has?
Canada.
Yep, it's a Canada goose feature, which made us nervous, especially me, because the Canada goose is protected under the Migratory Bird Act, right, of the 1920s, meaning that you cannot own a Canada goose without a permit. You're also not allowed to hunt a Canada goose or touch their nests or eggs or even like mess with their nests or eggs without a permit. Right, guys? All right, let me go get your water real quick, pretty. Here. Pretty bird. You want some num-nums? Here you go. Num. So, anyways, I went ahead and I contacted some law enforcement, and from them I learned that this young lady right here is not illegal to us because, do you guys remember why she is not illegal?
She's a hybrid.
Yeah, but what makes it different? Like, if I just went and found like an egg in the wild from a Canada goose that is like mated with a farm goose, would that baby be legal too? Huh?
No.
No. Because the reason why this young lady over here is legal is because we got her from where? Huh, Boots? That's right. She was laid on a homestead by a farm goose or a homestead goose, which in turn makes her legal. Now, I don't know all the specifics, but that's what we were told by law enforcement who specializes in animal law. Looks like Pretty Bird's grooming Deedee. Yeah, that's what she does. A lot. Yeah, Boots over here can't watch a movie without Pretty Bird trying to groom her hair, right?
Yeah.
You show him your hair, how long it is? Look how long that hair is. Can't really see it from all the way. Look at that. Yep. Pretty Bird loves grooming hair.
Pretty Bird sometimes even tries to jump onto the couch as I'm watching a TV show or something.
Yep.
Look at this. My hair is as long as my arm.
Yep.
It happens pretty commonly.
We think that she believes that our hair are our feathers. So anyways, after we made sure that law enforcement said she was legal, we then contacted some breeders, right guys? And then we talked to them. These are people who have permits to breed Canada geese. And we figured that if anybody else is going to know the law, just to make sure to double check, we figured that they would, right?
Yeah.
So we checked with them. And they said pretty much the same thing. Right, guys?
Yeah.
So we knew that we were not breaking the law because we don't want to break the law, right?
No.
Yep. But we also know that you can't always rely on just what one person says. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Because people make mistakes. And sometimes those mistakes can be very dangerous for the people that are listening to those advices that were mistakes, right? Now, we learned that, or we know that, because your dad is what?
Veteran.
Yep. He's been in the army before.
Yeah, he was in the army for almost, for 7.5 years, right?
Yeah.
And now he is what?
Not a nice place.
A veteran.
Yep.
Well, war is not a nice place, honey. The army is a necessity, right? Anyways, guys. So now, he is a 100% disabled veteran.
Yep.
And an awesome dad, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty obvious. He's letting you guys have a goose. Right?
I think someone's cutting wood.
Yeah, probably in the background over there.
No, more like
Anyways, you guys.
Yeah.
So after we made sure that Pretty Bird was legal, we continued raising her. And instead of giving her to a farm, she kind of just became part of the family, right?
Mm-hmm.
And do you guys love her?
yes.
How about you, Boots?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Well, I think that she loves you guys too. Look at that. Look how sweet. Now, she's not this sweet to everyone.
True.
Now, if you're a stranger, you'll probably be able to pet her or something with our help. And she's not just going to go attacking people. But when it comes to, touching her face or, cuddling her closely, that's something that is reserved for family. Right, Goose Goose? Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about how we got Pretty Bird. And we do hope that you guys will leave a comment and that you'll
Like and
Subscribe.
because this is a new channel, and though we are still learning, the content is going to be all about this silly goose who is a very unique young lady, as she is a hybrid, and she's what? One of a kind, right guys?
Yep.
She's unique.
That's right. Alright, so let's say bye. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, viewers.
Bye, viewers.
Pretty Bird, say bye. Pretty Bird, say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Goose, goose. Can you say bye-bye? Are you going to say bye-bye? What are you doing? There it is. Bye, guys.